Hello fellow Scratchers, and today I'm going to be showing you how you could make smooth rotation in Scratch. So let's first start off by creating the project. Alrighty, let's begin by creating the variable. Let's call it dir, aka direction. Let's put it for this sprite only. Alright, let's go to events and grab a one flag clicked. Go to motion, grab a go to x0 and y0. This is optional, unless if you're just following this. Let's grab a point in direction 90. And then I think that's good for the motion. Actually, wait. Let's grab a turn clockwise. We'll use this in a sec. But for now, just go to variables and put it turn degrees. Alright. We'll be using it in a sec. Let's go to control and grab a forever loop and two ifs. Go to sensing and grab two keys. One will be right arrow and one will be left arrow. For the right arrow, let's set dir to 1, and for the for left arrow, let's set dir to -1. All right, and then let's change dir by multiplying it by 0.95. We'll be multiplying by dir, and remember when I said we'll be using this, we'll put this right in the bottom. So let's see. Uh, this is not good. We might have made an error. Let's fix it. So I think I might have put, instead of set, we were supposed to put change. So with Scratch add-ons, we could just replace it with change. And for this change dir by dir multiplied by 0.95, we'll put it to set. Alright, we'll just stop the project. And we need to set dir to 0 again. Let's redo this. Alright, we see it's working now. So that's good, right? Alright. I think it is going to be fine here. Alright. So, as you see, we were able to make a sprite smoothly rotate with just one variable. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.